Hi, this is Danny Carroll here from Pellets of America. I'm here to answer some of the questions we get every day from customers around the country. Animal bedding pellets aren't just for large animal habitats. You can use them in your small animal pens, hutches, and habitats too. Wood pellets are a wise solution for your animal bedding needs because they contain very little moisture, making the pellets very absorbent when they're used as animal bedding. Our bedding pellets can be used for small caged animals, poultry, cats, dogs, reptiles, horses, and livestock. To use animal bedding pellets for small pets, you'll need to start with a clean cage, pen, or box. You'll likely want to use the product in moistened, expanded pellet form. You'll likely only want to place up to 1 inch in the animal's habitat. For small pets like hamsters, gerbils, and rats, the pellets should be to the animal's knees. You'll likely find the pellet's absorbency will increase the depth as the animal uses the habitat. Cleanup is simple. Simply remove soiled and saturated areas. You want to add new pellets to the habitat as needed. Soiled and saturated pellets can be composted or used to fertilize your garden. You can also use animal bedding pellets as cat litter. To use wood bedding pellets for cat litter, you can simply replace your traditional litter with bedding pellets in whole pellet form. Call us today at 937-265-0676 to get started. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website, energypelletsamerica.com.